Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to add my plasma gun asset to your avatar. So first you're gonna want to open up this folder and drag the prefab into the hierarchy. And then drag the prefab onto your avatar and unpack. You're gonna open this up and then open up your armature down to the hands and drag the left hand onto the left hand, the right hand onto the right hand. Then you're going to want to find the legs. The left leg goes on the upper leg, right leg goes on the upper right leg. Then we're going to want to set up the animations. So go in here, open up the avatar manager and drag your avatar into here. Open up the FX and drag the FX into here and merge on current. And then you can do the parameters, drag the parameter into here and copy. Then make a menu, so go to your animation folder for your avatars, the menu for your avatar, make a new thing, make a submenu, and then add the submenu for the plasma gun. And then you can type in tog and you can pick this one for the picture. That should be about it for setting it up. If you have another avatar and you need to move stuff around, you can grab one of these and you can move this around for getting it in the right position for your legs. And then when you need to get it in the right position for the arms, you can go down to the gun handle, change this to 1, and it should go into the hand, and then you can move this around. And then after you're done, you just put it back. And then that should be about it. One more thing, if you want only one gun, all you need to do is either take the right or the left and just delete it, and it will disappear, and it will take out everything that's in it, so it doesn't act like there's two of them. It'll be more optimized if you only want one.